Hello YouTube. There's a quick little review of the tweeters I just purchased off eBay. I paid about 45 bucks for them. They're the Pioneer ts-515, and I opened it. Sorry about that. I didn't do an unboxing review like other people, but the feel of the tweeter's not bad actually. Um, for 45 bucks, it's not a bad purchase. Tomorrow I will be installing the tweeter, so I'll give you guys an update on that tomorrow. I have to go to work now. Um, yeah, that's pretty much it. All it brings a little mounting device, whatever you want to call it. Some brackets, screws, tweeter itself. Actually, not bad at all. I thought it would be a little like cheaper, kind of. It's only 45 bucks, but not bad. Tomorrow I'll give you a I'll give you a review of how they sound and all sorts of stuff like that. So get you more information tomorrow. All right, guys.